would say, see, I talked to the owner the young radio. He was sitting, I said to him, you are sitting there munching away, you look like a caribou chewing gum. You're munching away like a caribou chewing gum. And I said, oh, you're calling her a caribou? I said, look, the way she's sitting, yum, yum, yum. It's a caribou. Anyway. Because I've spoken to the owner, and Jezebel's a friend. He needs money because she's got a 4-year-old kid and a husband, boyfriend. I said one day, where's Jezebel? Oh, she was out drinking last night. I had a feeling she was out drinking and shadowing. She's a great shame, it's very addictive. Methamphetamine. That's why I'm stopped seeing trouble down near Santa Catalina, because I cannot associate with someone who's so proud of the fact he was selling shabu and was a user, but selling shabu for 15 years. And he was proud of it. Oh, what about problems with the police? He said, oh no, police were my partners. So we get to arrest them. And didn't go and see them there. It's quite a shame because the wife, very present, but she got together with him. They got married while he was a dealer, so one has to say that attraction, he's not that handsome a guy, and she's very attractive, was his money. I'm going to have a pee before we get to Sibulan. Ancestral home. Putting on an old mine. Are you the coach? The boyfriend is sitting on a scooter. Poor girls. I don't know. It's a bit weird. Native chickens, they're quite old when we kill them, but they've had a very athletic life, so it's quite tough, but tasty, unlike the white chlorinated crap. There's a 7-Eleven here. Nope. And somewhere else. Or maybe I'm there. Oh, I really. barangay capsules are okay. I mean, the lady barangay capsules help me out. Very nice. Everyone said, oh, she's horrible because she's doing the job. She's doing horrible. And Rose said, oh, you shouldn't come there. And I went, well, this is a load of bollocks because just got a shot on the barangay capsule top down. Because once the barangay capsule was, I wish a calf could move. You know, people say cows and pigs are dumb. I don't actually believe it. They feel and they actually like attention. See, that cow there looks like it's got 6 legs or 7. I don't want to disturb it. So, going to reverse. Thank you for your photograph. It's muddy here. It's silly though. Never goes back. Shot this hole. It's hidden. Here I have one.